Check every run of new plumbing with a pressure test before you close the walls. Use a calibrated pressure gauge and a pressure test plug-sized to the pipe type to isolate the system, then pressurize to the appropriate test pressure for the material and local code, typically between 15 and 80 pounds per square inch, depending on whether you are testing drain, waste and vent, or water supply. When filling the system, purge air by opening a high-point bleed or hose bib until a steady stream of water flows, then close it so the gauge reads stable pressure. Walk every accessible joint and fitting with a bright flashlight and a clean, dry cloth to feel for dampness and to catch small spray leaks that might not show obvious drips. For soldered copper or brazed joints, look for pinholes that we can usually see as a fine mist when pressurizing. For push fit and compression fittings, gently tug and rotate each fitting while under pressure to expose marginal connections. If you cannot maintain the test pressure for at least 24 hours, try to isolate the leaking section by shutting down branch valves and retesting short runs until the leak source is localized. When a leak is found, relieve pressure, repair or remake the joint, dry the area, and repeat the test until the pressure holds for the full monitoring period. Common mistakes start with insufficient isolation, where people pressurize only a portion and assume the rest is fine, so always cap and test the exact run you will bury. Another frequent issue is relying on visual inspection alone, which misses slow seepage, so use a gauge and a timed hold and mark the gauge reading when you pressurize, and again after your monitoring window. Finally, rushing repairs after a failed test leads to repeated failures, so take the time to cut out the fitting and replace with the correct method for the pipe type, and then repressure test until the reading is rock steady. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for plumbing and remodel tasks, and it also helps contractors find work by listing projects and leads. We have an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and compare local contractor experiences.